So that was an expensive lesson for a $3 can of soda. So I don't even understand why you would go into a Holiday Inn,
Decided to drop out of court before the school.
pick up a $3 soda. I understand the issue with the person working there saying, we don't have change for a 20.
Like you just,
Do you have something smaller? And then you have a 10 and 5 that you take out of your pocket. And then she says, can I just use the 5? And you say no.
Enjoy the video, hit the like button.
State of Texas versus Darrell Moore. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state,
Marcus Sanders.
for the defense? Yes. And are you Mr. Moore?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Mr. Moore, you were scheduled here today and your attorney was Dale Hill. Mr. Hill could not be here, and Mr. Hill asked if we would either reset your case in the distance with no date given or either appoint you a new attorney. Do you have any objections to Mr. Cox being appointed to represent you? All right, Mr. Cox, you were just appointed today. Of course, you know you have a certain amount of time to prepare for trial. Are you waiving your right for that time?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right, defense, I'm going to show you the discovery acknowledgement. Have you received all the discovery in this case and did you review it with your client?
Yes, sir.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Moore, I'm going to show you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, sir.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Judge.
All right. All right. Mr. Moore, I'm going to show you what's entitled Court Admonishments. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it in all the appropriate places? Did you understand you're charged with theft under $2,500 enhanced as a state jail felony? The range of punishment for that offense is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand? All right. After reviewing state's exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, sir.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
No.
All right. Anything you wish to say, Mr. Moore? Okay. All right. The court is going to sentence you to 180 days in the Bexar County Jail under 12.44. There's to be no contact with Holiday Inn, and there's to be credit for any time served. There are plenty of other hotels other than the Holiday Inn. Do you understand? All right. I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it? Because this is a plea bargaining agreement, because I followed your plea bargaining agreement, because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand? And because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. Do you understand? If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right, we're going to go off the record. So that was an expensive lesson for a $3 can of soda. So I don't even understand why you would go into a Holiday Inn,
Decided to drop out of court before the school.
pick up a $3 soda. I understand the issue with the person working there saying, we don't have change for a 20.
Like you just,
Do you have something smaller? And then you have a 10 and 5 that you take out of your pocket. And then she says, can I just use the 5? And you say no.
but you just.
And then she accepts the 10, or she gives you change of $7. And then you take the $7 and the $10. So basically, you've been at the Bexar County Jail for $20 and you keep committing thefts. How old are you? All right. When is this going to stop? Why are you doing this? And I'm asking you these questions because you know why? This is something you need to understand why you do what you do. Because otherwise, we're going to be right back here. And instead of the Holiday Inn, it may be the Grand Hyatt or a Colonnade or some other hotel room. You understand? Do you have any children? No children at all. Parents? All right. Sisters, brothers? So you're by yourself. Well, then you're going to have to do better for yourself. You understand? All right. Good luck to you.
He's gonna go back.
Oh, he's heading back east?
He's Stony. So
All right.
Listen, forward, pray.
Oh, a stranger in a strange land. Well, here's the thing, strangers in strange lands do not go for a $3. And what was it, a Pepsi?
No. Dr. Pepper.
A Dr. Pepper? $3.
But, you know, sometimes people say, you know.
If I'm a pepper, you're a pepper.
You know,
Was it a can? It was a bottle? That's an expensive. Okay, now you're quoting a 5-card stud. Thank you, Dean Martin. Okay, nobody else gets that reference because no one here has watched 5-card stud. But do better, Mr. Moore.
All right, thank you.